back in 2000, well, heck, all the way back to 2008, 2009, and really predominantly with the 2014 SVHO models of the FZR, you are seeing a lot of the Yamaha FZRs beginning to pump stuff. And pump stuffing, let me bring up your question. I'm sorry, Chuck. I should have brought that up earlier. Pump stuffing is the effect of the water rushing in to the intake grate and into the pump cannot be processed fast enough. And so it literally creates a pressurized pocket inside of the intake grate, meaning that no more water can be processed in or be pulled in, and it immediately loses traction and it unhooks. And in worst case scenarios, a lot of people were experiencing such severe pump stuffing that it would unhook the tail and guys would get ejected. All right. So that's when a lot of people were having to do modifications to their pump. They were doing modifications to the intake grate. This is where you saw a lot of people getting wise to the Lucky 13 pump cone because the pump cone was allowing water to process faster through the stator and through the venturi. And water can compress, and when it compresses, it gets dense and it gets hard. And that's literally what was happening inside of that pump tunnel. That's why a lot of high performance guys are splitting and pressurizing and breaking and cracking their pump tunnel. All right. You're seeing fissure cracking in all sorts of Yamahas because the material is so soft and the material is so weak. And so it breaks and it splits and it cracks and it starts to balloon. You are seeing some hazing. Hazing is the right word. Or excuse me, not hazing. Crazing. C-R-A. Crazing. Crazing of the acrylic around the intake grate of the RXPX and RXTX with guys who are making a lot of extra power, and they're beginning to overstuff the pump.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.